Why do doctors ophthalmologists ignore natural eyesight improvement methods? Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav, and in this video I would like to explain why doctors ignore natural eyesight improvements method. What eye diseases can natural eyesight restoration cure? There is such a stereotype that if something is ill, it is important to come to the doctor and he will definitely help and heal everything. In the case of myopia treatment, hyperopia treatment and astigmatism treatment, better to help yourself naturally with relaxation and exercises. For example, a person goes to the doctor and the doctor has a schedule. He has 20 minutes per patient. Time per patient is very limited. The ophthalmologist must examine the patient in 20 minutes. He must listen to what the patient has, conduct his examination, check his eyesight. It is necessary to fill up all the necessary papers at the same time in beautiful handwriting. To write a prescription, prescribe treatment that is in 20 minutes. The doctor must do all this. It's clear that the doctor cannot teach you to get rid of bad habits of poor vision, tell you what is good for vision and what is bad, teach you the correct exercise technique, tell you how the eyes work, and completely compare all the facts from which vision could deteriorate. A doctor has another piece of paper in which it's written for what disease, how he should prescribe treatment, what glasses to prescribe, and what medication to prescribe, and what kind of operation that's it. A doctor doesn't think about what to do for a long time. He uses this piece of paper, he immediately prescribes you some drops. These are the glasses and this is the operation. And there will be nothing about natural eyesight recovery. There will be a treatment that is prescribed for him in a short time, that is assigned to you. So you have prescribed an operation, glasses or lenses. It happens that a patient came to the doctor and the doctor didn't even look, didn't even examine anything, but wrote out glasses. There may be a very good doctor, a wonderful doctor, but he has no time to deal with you normally and solve your problems. And he has a regulation on what needs to be done with you. And therefore, you can pay attention to the fact there are so many people around us with glasses. What eye diseases can natural eyesight restoration cure? If you have myopia, nearsightedness, hyperopia, farsightedness, astigmatism, amblyopia or cataracts, this can all be cured naturally by relaxation, clear eyesight habits and gentle stretching exercises. A doctor should be consulted if, for example, retinal detachment or some other more serious diseases, and a deep examination using specialized equipment is required. Poor vision is a very serious problem, and it's better to fully understand the problem yourself and understand how our vision works, our eyes, the body, and what to do with your eyes. In the video on my channel there is a lot of theory and practical techniques for restoring vision without lenses and glasses and without operation. I'm trying to tell you in great details what to do, where to start, why glasses and lenses don't help to remove spasm from the muscle of the eyes, and so on. The conclusion for this video that is doctors just don't have time to teach you how to cure eyesight naturally. Myopia nearsightedness, hyperopia farsightedness, astigmatism, amblyopia or cataracts can be cured naturally. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button so more people can see this video. If you have any question, write them down below in the comments and see you in the next videos.